Welcome to the video, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to meal prep 3000 calories in 10 minutes. Well, at least I'm going to try it because I've never done it before, so I don't know if I can do it. But yeah, it's going to be a challenge, but I think I can pull it off. So yeah, let's see what happens. So this video is to prove to you guys that you don't need a lot of time to prep all your meals for the day. And yeah, no excuses. But first, I need to get some food. So I just got everything and let's prepare this and I'll see you guys in a bit. So I got everything what I need. Here in front of me I have some chicken, mixed veggies, rice, couscous, oats, fruits. I got a lot of things. Yeah, let's set the timer and let's do it. I'm gonna pick my phone to time it. So I'm gonna set the timer and let's do this. So first I'm gonna make the chicken because that takes the most time. I'm going to season it with some salt, pepper, and another seasoning. Like that. I'm going to put the lid on. I'm also going to put the mixed veggies into the pan with a little bit of olive oil. Like that. And I'm also going to put some salt and pepper on the mixed veggies. Like that. In the meantime, I'm gonna make the first meal, that is oats. So I'm gonna pick the oats. We're going for 100 grams. I have some boiling water right here. Like that. Stir it up. I need a little bit more. So I'm also going to add 1 scoop of whey protein. I have a scoop. So I'm just going to scoop it with this one here. So I kind of know what a scoop looks like, so it's not that big of a deal. Just making sure that I get it in. Just like that. That looks pretty good. And I'm also going to have an apple for my first meal. Get it out of the way. And this, by the way, the Whey Perfection from Bonnie and Fit. You can use my code Richard10 for 10% off. Links in the description. Let's have a look at the chicken. veggies to stir. Now I'm gonna make the couscous, so I have a bowl right there. I'm gonna put 100 grams in there. Just like that. Then I'm gonna put some boiling water on it. I'm gonna stir that up. And I'm gonna take a plate and put it right on top so it can steam in the meantime. So let's have a look at the veggies. Veggies are almost done. Chicken is also almost done. I went with little pieces because it's quicker. I also have some rice right there. I'm just gonna open the package and put it in the microwave for 1 minute or so. Like that. Let's clean it up a little bit. Prepare this. I think the chicken is almost done. The veggies are almost done. I have some teriyaki sauce right there. I'm going to put it on top of the chicken. Like that. So that looks pretty good. Let's see, I have 4 minutes left. Less than 4 minutes left. So I'm gonna make the last meal already. So I'm going for 300 grams of low-fat yogurt with a banana. Just gonna do it like this, it's quicker. Come on, man. And some almonds. And top it off with a little bit of honey. Just like that. That is the last meal. Now, I'm going to take out the rice, put it right. So that is all done. Chicken is also done, and the veggies are done. So I'm going to put half of this in this one, and the other half in the other one, like that. I'm going to do the same with the veggies. Just like that. Let's see. The couscous is also done. As you can see, it's steamed because of the plate. And I'm gonna put this in the last one. So yeah, and I think that is all. Let me check. So I got the first meal right there. It's 100 grams of oats, an apple, couscous, chicken, that's right there. I think that's it. Let's stop the time right here. Oh no, I also need a little bit of honey and my oats. Right there. That's it. I'm gonna stop the time right here. 9 minutes and 7 seconds. 3,000 calories right here. That was quicker than I thought. So yeah, let me show you the meals. As I said before, the first meal is 100 grams of oats, 1 scoop of whey protein, and a little bit of honey, and of course an apple. Can't forget about the vitamins. So the next meal is 300 grams of chicken, uncooked weight, uncooked weight, mixed veggies, and 100 grams of couscous. So that looks pretty good, actually. Then the next meal is rice. I think it's around 125 grams uncooked, because it has like 450 calories, this package. Let me check. 450 calories, and the rest of the mixed veggies. And the last meal is 300 grams of low-fat yogurt, Greek yogurt, with some almonds. It's around 40 or 50 grams, and some honey on top, and a banana, of course. And that is 3,000 calories in 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. So I'm actually surprised that I did it in less than 10 minutes, because I've never cooked that fast before, and it also looks pretty good. It's not disgusting or anything. And yeah, let me check. The chicken is done. The chicken is done. So everything is just perfect. Seasoning is right, and I really like this teriyaki sauce to put onto the chicken, because otherwise it's a little bland. And yeah, I just like to spice my food up a little bit, especially when I'm bulking or even when I'm cutting, because the foods get so boring. And yeah, so that is it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you do so, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, of course, if you want to see more. Comment down below what you want to see next. And as I said before, no excuses, because I made 3,000 calories in less than 10 minutes. If I can do it, you can do it too. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.